Why do so many of our customers choose paper plus Papillon? It's because our customers demand the highest quality paper packaging. Innovative paper pads help our customers reduce material usage and provide better cushioning for their products. Paper plus Papillon by Storopack offers a perfect packaging solution for diverse applications. They are suitable and dependable in protecting goods from small to medium-sized applications. Goods will arrive safely at their destination. Paper plus Papillon converts two 8-inch wide layers of paper into a protective cushioning directly at the packing location. The special shape of the cushion offers a maximum pack volume with minimal paper. The paper pads are especially light and conform directly to the products in the carton. This way, reliable protection is guaranteed for the goods shipped. The Paper Plus Papillon paper pads are perfectly suited for filling empty spaces. The paper pads are an ideal solution for protecting goods shipped in cartons, such as medical or cosmetic products. Especially for the padding of high-value products, the innovative shape of the paper ensures a positive unpacking experience for the end user. Here, either brown or white paper may be selected. Paper plus Papillon is extremely versatile and user-friendly. The cushion material is produced directly at the pack station. Only a single hand movement is necessary. This increases productivity and at the same time improves ergonomics at the pack area, in accordance with Storopack's working comfort approach. The length of the cushions can vary and can be defined with 3 different operational modes: automatic, on demand, or by foot pedal if required. The machine is very robust and simple to operate. It does not have any cutting mechanism and thus helps avoid dust creation as well as risk of injury. Only 2 rotary knobs and a button are needed to operate the machine. The plug-and-play principle and the versatility of the compact Paper Plus Papillon also allows simple and individual integration into every pack station. Therefore, the machine can be used on a floor stand, or on a table, or placed directly on the packing table without a stand. An adjustable swivel arm allows the machine to be positioned to match the space requirements. The combination of a hopper and lift system allows for several packaging stations to be supplied at the same time. Only a few hand movements are needed for the insertion of the fan fold paper. This guarantees a smooth packing flow. The compact machine weighs only 33 pounds and can be transported very easily. With a speed of 130 feet per minute, all packaging processes can be performed quickly and efficiently to significantly increase the number of outbound packages per hour. Efficient, ergonomic, and compact, the intelligent Paper Plus Papillon system from Storopack.